Without warning, the clear skies above our major cities tear open to reveal a darkness deeper than the vacuum of space. A silent alien fleet descends with technology far beyond ours. The world teeters on the brink of total invasion. Panic erupts as humanity realizes we are no longer the apex predators. Warning systems stay silent until shadows drown capitals and blot out the sun. Governments plead for answers. Only ominous silence returns. Horror begins when the first strike erases cultural centers and historic sites. Not missiles, pure energy beams that disintegrate matter, turning steel to dust. Our jets fall from the sky after hitting unseen energy shields.
Fall back! It's melting
Tanks
armor.
melt under precision strikes. Soldiers flee in chaos. This isn't conquest. It's systematic extermination of human life. Footage shows biomechanical constructs our minds refuse to accept. Survivors hide in subways and sewers, evading hunter drones. Despite annihilation, resistance pockets begin to rise. Scientists study wreckage, hunting for a fatal flaw. Soldiers adapt, guerrilla ambushes in burning ruins. Civilians save strangers, risking everything to survive. The aliens underestimated our resilience and our violent will to fight back. A global plan forms, a desperate strike on the command flagship. Special forces infiltrate the mothership to sever drone control before the final blow. The world burns, yet the survivors are bound tighter than steel. A brutal reminder: our world is fragile against greater powers. Cherish peaceful days in a cosmos that isn't always kind. Rebuild from ash, knowing we are not alone in the void. The sky's clear, but survivors keep scanning the stars for shadows.
Like, subscribe, and get ready for more incredible scenarios that will twist your view of reality.